My name is Missy Lewick, and I'm the Marketing and Sales Director for Anthology Software. Anthology is a point-of-sale and inventory management system built specifically for independent bookstores. We've been serving bookstores for more than 35 years, and over 1,000 bookstores rely on Anthology to manage their daily operations. What makes Anthology different is that it was designed by booksellers for booksellers. We understand that bookstores have unique needs that generic retail systems simply weren't built to handle. Whether you're managing inventory, placing orders, tracking customer special orders, running events, selling online, or operating a cafe, Anthology brings all of those functions together in one system. At its core, Anthology is an all-in-one platform. It handles point of sale, it handles inventory management, customer relationships, purchasing, receiving, reporting, and e-commerce integrations. Rather than piecing together multiple software products, bookstores can manage their entire operation from one single system. One area where Anthology really shines is inventory management. Booksellers can add titles instantly by scanning an ISBN, pull rich bibliographic information, access cover art, check wholesaler availability, and manage inventory levels with ease. Anthology also includes powerful purchasing tools that help stores maintain healthy inventory turns and make informed buying decisions. Our onboarding program provides one-on-one individualized training sessions married with access to written instructions, documents, training videos, weekly webinar sessions, and a training environment sandbox. Ordering and receiving are streamlined through integrations with industry tools like Edelweiss, iPage, PubNet, and Ingram. Purchase orders can be generated manually or automatically, transmitted electronically, and received with just a few clicks. At the register, Anthology is designed to be fast and intuitive. Staff can process sales, take special orders, activate gift cards, look up inventory, apply discounts, and track customer purchases. Integrated credit card processing through Explore Pay helps simplify checkout and reconciliation while supporting EMV, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and PIN debit transactions. We even have a touchscreen interface option with our cafe module, as you can see here. The core Anthology software package comes with features that are essential for the bookseller, such as inventory management, purchasing and receiving, point of sale reporting, customer engagement, bookstore and third-party integrations, and responsive technical support staff. Additionally, there are add-on modules that I will cover later. Inventory management. Anthology provides powerful bookstore-focused inventory management system that makes it easy to build and maintain an accurate catalog. You can add books instantly by scanning an ISBN or searching extensive bibliographic databases, complete with cover art and title information. Real-time stock availability from wholesalers and publishers helps staff make informed ordering decisions, while bulk imports from sources like Ingram and Edelweiss save time on large inventory updates. Anthology also tracks stock levels, costs, pricing, and reorder points, and can print barcode labels and price stickers directly from received orders or individual titles to streamline receiving and merchandising. Anthology streamlines the entire inventory purchasing cycle from ordering and receiving to returns and transfers. Purchase orders can be created manually or generated automatically based on sales history, special orders, min-max inventory levels. There are flexible tools that allow you to cascade, move, copy, or merge purchase orders as needed, while Quick Receive speeds up the receiving process. The system also helps reduce excess inventory by automatically identifying overstock and generating return recommendations based on title performance, inventory levels, or purchaser return windows. For stores with multiple locations, inventory transfers are easy to manage and track. To further improve efficiency, Anthology provides real-time stock checking, as you can see on the graphic on the screen. This graphic shows a sample inventory record for the book item titled Beginner's Cursive Handwriting Workbook. You can see the ISBN, author, price, department, section, and media type, on-hand quantity, jacket art, publisher, and more information. In the inventory record, you can also find additional detail about this item by reviewing the other tabs for units of measure, sales, purchase order, return histories, customer book order, customer order book fair activity, copies, and invoice history. Purchasing and receiving. One of Anthology's greatest strengths is purchasing and receiving workflow. We've built direct integrations with many of the tools and vendors that booksellers already use every day, helping streamline the entire ordering process from start to finish. Purchase orders can be created manually when you want full control or automatically based on reorder levels. Anthology also integrates with industry resources like I mentioned, Edelweiss, iPage, PubNet, and FAIR. Those catalog information, stock list, and order data can be imported into the system. That reduces manual data entry and improves accuracy. When the shipments arrive, receiving is quick and straightforward. Staff can receive items against purchase orders, make quantity adjustments as needed, and process inventory efficiency without re-entering information. Anthology tracks special orders through their life cycle through the Customer Book Order Manager. You'll see a special order icon on purchase orders and receiving memos, so you always know what items are designated for customers and they won't wander out onto the store floor. Anthology also allows you to electronically transmit purchase orders directly to over 300 participating vendors. Payments. Anthology's cash register is designed to be intuitive and efficient, allowing staff to learn the system quickly and serve customers with confidence. The clean interface puts the most common functions at your fingertips, helping transactions move smoothly even during busy periods. Beyond ringing up sales, staff can place special orders directly from the register, track purchases to customer accounts, apply discounts, look up inventory items, activate gift cards, all without leaving the sales screen. Anthology also includes real-time internet stock check, allowing staff to instantly see item availability from participating distributors and publishers, making it easy to answer customer questions and secure hard-to-find titles. The cash register screen is clean, intuitive, and fast. You can ring a sale in just seconds. Anthology's integration with Explore Pay creates fast, seamless checkout experience for both staff and customers. Transactions are processed directly through the register, eliminating the need to manually enter totals on a separate credit card terminal and reducing opportunities for errors. The solution supports modern payment methods, including EMV chip cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, PIN debit, giving customers the flexibility to pay however they prefer. Security is built into the process as well. Explore Pay is PCI compliant and uses tokenization technology to help protect sensitive payment information and reduce fraud risk, providing peace of mind for both the bookstore and its customers. Sales tracking, reporting, and analytics. Reporting is another area where Anthology stands out. The system includes dozens of built-in reports that help bookstore owners understand sales trends, inventory performance, customer activity, and financial results. Whether you're looking for your best sellers, slow sellers, inventory evaluation, or customer buying habits, the information is readily available. There are over 30 built-in stock reports. Reports can be printed or exported in various file formats such as PDF, Excel, CSV, and more. Shown here is the comparative sales history reports, price change report, gift card balances report, bestsellers report, sales history report, and the powerful Construct a Query tool, which allows you to search and filter your inventory to create a live data set that can be edited and manipulated. Customer engagement. Customer engagement is also built directly into the software. Anthology stores customer purchase history, supports frequent buyer clubs, and allows stores to export customer information for use in marketing platforms such as Constant Contact or other third-party email providers. Third-party integrations. Anthology is designed to work seamlessly with many of the tools booksellers already use. The system supports services such as Edelweiss 360, Above the Tree Line, the ABA Circana Book Scan, the New York Times bestseller reporting. We can also import orders from multiple platforms as well. These integrations help reduce manual data entry and help keep inventory and sales information synchronized. Responsive tech support. One thing our customers consistently tell us they value is our support. Every software purchase includes training, onboarding, documentation, and access to our support team. We offer one-on-one assistance, webinars, training videos, and ongoing educational resources to help stores get the most out of their investment. Deployment options. Anthology can be configured in several different configuration types: Classic Desktop, Anthology Private Cloud, or the Cloud Subscription Service. Anthology Classic Desktop is a traditional on-premise solution installed on computers within your store and running over your local network. This configuration gives bookstores full control over their data and infrastructure while providing the functionality Anthology is known for. The Classic Desktop is purchased with a one-time software license with optional annual support and software updates available through a maintenance plan. Anthology Private Cloud provides the best of both worlds. Your server is physically located in your store and directly connected to your local network, allowing for expanded printing capabilities, continued access to Anthology, even if your internet connection is interrupted. At the same time, the server is fully owned, maintained, and supported by Anthology, and our technicians have secure remote access for monitoring and troubleshooting. As part of our service commitment, the Anthology Private Cloud customers benefit from built-in redundancy and rapid recovery options. If an issue ever occurs, we can quickly transition your data to our CloudBank environment to restore operations. Should a hardware replacement be required, a new server would be shipped to you within 24 hours. Anthology Cloud Subscription Service operates on a monthly software as a subscription model. This cloud system is fully hosted and managed by Anthology, meaning that we provide and maintain the cloud server located in our CloudBank and provide software backups and updates for you. You get remote access from anywhere with internet connectivity, which means you can work from home or access the system from any licensed station. The configuration requires a robust, stable, and reliable internet connection for all operations. Compatible point-of-sale hardware. Anthology works with standard POS peripherals. We recommend a Windows Pro workstation along with a barcode scanner, receipt printer, cash drawer, and label printer. We resell tested and compatible equipment, or stores can source compatible equipment on their own. Now we're going to go over some of the optional modules, starting with the multi-store module. Anthology Multi-Store allows multiple bookstore locations to operate independent stores while sharing inventory, purchasing, transfers, customer information, and reporting through a centralized management system. Inventory can be purchased centrally and allocated to individual stores, transferred between locations, and tracked across the organization in real time. The module includes tools for centralized receiving, store-to-store transfer requests, inventory cross-checking, consolidated purchasing workflows, while still allowing each location to maintain its own daily sales, customers, and operations. It's designed for bookstore groups that want the efficiency of shared inventory management and oversight while preserving the flexibility of individual store locations. E-commerce modules. For stores selling online, Anthology offers direct integrations with IndieCommerce, Chrislands, and Shopify, which is currently in beta testing. Inventory can be exported to your website, and online orders can flow back into Anthology automatically, helping keep your inventory synchronized between your physical and online stores. Cafe module. The Cafe module extends Anthology to support cafe service operations along bookstore sales with a cafe touchscreen for ease of menu ordering. It allows staff to manage cafe menu items, process food and beverage transactions, and integrate cafe sales directly into the same point-of-sale system used for books and merchandise. Customer-facing tip functionality is possible when paired with Explore Pay credit card processing. The Cafe module provides for shared reporting and unified tracking, such that bookstores can see a complete view of performance across both the retail and cafe operations. In-house gift card module. Anthology's in-house gift card module allows bookstores to create, sell, and redeem gift cards directly within the point-of-sale system. Gift cards can be activated instantly at checkout and used across all store locations and sales channels with balances tracked in real time. The module integrates seamlessly with transactions, making it easy to apply partial payments, check remaining balances, and process reloads, all while maintaining accurate financial tracking within the system. Usebook module. Anthology's Usebook module is designed to help bookstores efficiently manage the buying, pricing, and resale of used inventory. It supports the quick intake of used books with condition grading, pricing tools, and instant inventory creation. The module tracks acquisition costs, resale values, and profitability while seamlessly integrating used book sales into the same point of sale and inventory system as new inventory for a unified workflow. Offsite sales module. Anthology's offsite sales module supports selling beyond the store, including events, pop-ups, book fairs, and other remote locations. It allows staff to take an offline copy of Anthology to the event to process transactions, track inventory, and capture customer data. Sales can be synchronized back in the store upon return, ensuring accurate inventory and financial reporting. Square Book Fair module. Anthology's Square Book Fair module integrates directly with Square to streamline book fair sales and reconciliation. It allows bookstores to export full or partial inventory into their Square device and then process the transactions through Square and import those sales data back into Anthology. QuickBooks Accounts Payable and Accounts Receivables Link module. Anthology integrates with QuickBooks by exporting accounts receivable and accounts payable data that can be easily imported into your accounting system. This eliminates manual data entry and ensures that sales, payments, and vendor invoices flow directly into your QuickBooks chart of accounts, keeping your financial records accurate and up-to-date and aligned with your bookstore operations. Layaway module. Anthology's layaway module makes it easy to manage customer layaway purchases from start to finish. It allows staff to set up pay over time plans within the customer order module, track payments as they're made, and manage the final pickup process. The system also generates receipts for each payment and provides detailed invoices that show the full transaction history for layaway orders, ensuring clear communication and accurate tracking throughout the process. We regularly update the software to add new features. Bundles and Ingram desirability ranking are two of our most recent new features. Anthology's bundles feature allows bookstores to group multiple items together and sell them as a single package or bundle. Bundles can be created for promotions, curated collections, or themed assortments, while still maintaining accurate inventory tracking for each individual item. Pricing and discounts can be applied at the bundle level, making it easy to manage special offers and streamline checkout for these grouped products. This video shows how easy it is to use the bundles feature. Simply create a new bundle of items, name it, save it, and simply ring it up at the cash register. A unique code is generated for each bundle. And then you can use that code to ring it out at the cash register. It's that easy. Anthology's Ingram desirability ranking tool helps bookstores identify high demand titles from Ingram based on sales and trends and availability signals. It highlights which books are more likely to sell, supporting smarter purchasing decisions and more effective inventory planning. This allows stores to prioritize the right titles, reduce overstock risk, and better align orders with customer demand. This video shows you how easy it is to use the Ingram desirability ranking tool. First, you would search by the BISAT category, choose how many quantity of items you would like to pull, select Run, Then you select items to fetch to add to your inventory, and then you'd simply add them to a purchase order. And here we're just adding them to a purchase order. And now we can also search top sellers and publishers or imprints if you're building out a publisher order. This will then find by publisher the top fiction in this example that are also by the publisher Tor Books. In closing, Anthology is a bookstore management system built by booksellers for booksellers. It was established in 1989 by a bookseller and software designer with years of industry experience. The company was founded with a clear understanding of the day-to-day needs of independent bookstores. Since then, Anthology has evolved into a leading inventory control and retail management system supporting bookstores across the industry. Headquartered in Traverse City, Michigan, Anthology continues to combine deep book selling expertise with powerful, easy-to-use technology. Anthology is a team of book selling and technology professionals dedicated to empowering booksellers with powerful, easy-to-use, and affordable inventory control solutions. Our goal is simple: provide booksellers with powerful tools that help them operate more efficiently, serve customers better, and grow their business. Please reach out if you're opening a bookstore, evaluating systems, planning an expansion, or simply curious about what's available. We'd be happy to answer your questions and discuss how Anthology might fit your needs. Thank you.